Ever tried cooking at a campsite when the wind keeps blowing out your flame? One burner barely gets hot enough, and dinner ends up taking twice as long as it should? If you've been there, you already know that a bad camp stove can turn a relaxing outdoor trip into a frustrating experience. That's exactly why the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove has become such a popular choice among campers, tailgaters, and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. The Coleman Triton is designed for people who want a portable cooking solution that feels much closer to a home stove than a tiny backpacking burner. Whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip, tailgating before the big game, planning a picnic, or setting up a campsite for the family, this stove promises strong cooking power, reliable performance, and simple operation. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the Triton makes a solid first impression. Unlike ultra-compact backpacking stoves, this is built to be a practical outdoor cooktop. The steel body feels sturdy and durable, and the heavy-duty latch keeps everything securely closed during transport. When folded up, it resembles a compact suitcase, making it easy to carry from your vehicle to the campsite. One feature you'll appreciate immediately is the integrated wind guards. They fold out on both sides and help shield the burners from gusty conditions. It might seem like a small detail, but anyone who's cooked outdoors knows how much wine can affect cooking times and fuel efficiency. The wind guards help maintain a more consistent flame, which means less frustration and more reliable cooking performance. The cooking surface itself feels spacious enough for real meal preparation. It comfortably accommodates a combination of larger and smaller cookware, allowing you to cook multiple items simultaneously. Whether you're making pancakes and eggs for breakfast or heating a pot of chili while grilling sausages in a skillet, the layout feels practical and easy to work with. Performance is where the Coleman Triton really stands out. With 22,000 BTUs of total cooking power spread across two independently adjustable burners, it delivers plenty of heat for most outdoor cooking situations. Water boils relatively quickly, meals cook evenly, and the burners generate enough heat to handle everything from simple camp breakfasts to more elaborate dinners. One thing I particularly like is the improved temperature control. Many camp stoves seem to operate with only two settings, off and extremely hot. The Triton offers noticeably better control, making it easier to simmer sauces, cook delicate foods, or maintain a steady temperature without constantly adjusting the knobs. That level of control makes outdoor cooking feel much less like guesswork. In everyday use, the stove is refreshingly simple. Setup takes only a few minutes, and operation is straightforward even for beginners. Once connected to a standard propane cylinder, you're ready to start cooking. The controls are intuitive, and managing two separate burners allows you to prepare multiple dishes without constantly moving cookware around. Cleaning is also easier than many competing camp stoves. The chrome-plated grate removes quickly, allowing you to wipe down surfaces after cooking. Since outdoor cooking can get messy, especially during longer trips, this convenience becomes more valuable than you might expect. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. While the Triton is portable, it's not designed for ultralight backpacking. This is a vehicle-based camping stove rather than something you'd carry deep into the wilderness. It also relies on propane cylinders, which means you'll need to plan fuel usage accordingly. And while the 1-hour burn time on high provides strong performance, running both burners at maximum heat continuously can consume fuel fairly quickly. Compared with similarly priced 2-burner camp stoves, the Triton remains one of the strongest value options available. Some competitors offer similar heat output, but often sacrifice temperature control or overall build quality. Others provide more premium construction, but at significantly higher prices. The Triton sits comfortably in the middle, offering dependable performance, practical features, and a trusted reputation without requiring a huge investment. This stove is ideal for family campers, RV travelers, tailgaters, overlanders, and anyone who enjoys cooking real meals outdoors. If your goal is to prepare breakfast, lunch, and dinner comfortably at a campsite, it's a strong choice. However, if you're a minimalist backpacker focused on saving every ounce of weight, you'll probably want a smaller single-burner alternative. Overall, the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove succeeds because it focuses on what matters most. It delivers strong cooking power, practical wind protection, easy cleanup, and dependable temperature control in a package that's simple to transport and use. For many outdoor enthusiasts, That's exactly what a camp stove should do. If you found this review helpful, consider giving the video a like and subscribing for more honest outdoor gear reviews. And if you're interested in checking out the Coleman Triton for your next adventure, you'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.